With hundreds of undocumented children from Central America and Louisiana, Loyola's Law Clinic fears its resources may be strained. Sabrina Wilson reports.
The illegal border crossings by children from Central America continue, and as more and more of them end up in this area, it's evident the immigration court in New Orleans wasn't prepared.
I've been practicing many years, but this is the worst ever.
Professor Hiroko Kusuda runs the immigration law section in Loyola University's Law Clinic.
I'm pretty sure it is going to be a very busy semester for us because New Orleans seems to be the destination for many children who are released from Texas.
She believes of late there are about 1,200 such children in the state, and she and her law students are being called on to represent them. Kusuda says complicating the process further is the fact that there is no permanent judge in the New Orleans Immigration Court. The court is on the 24th floor of Canal Place and is a function of the federal government.
They are not detained currently, but they will have to go through this immigration court process.
But getting a court date in New Orleans Immigration Court is challenging in itself.
It takes about almost a year or year and a half to get a court date.
She believes the U.S. does have the resources to let the children stay.
We have been providing care to refugees coming from all over the world. Why not? Why do we stop now?
It's quite unbelievable to me personally. I think it's a huge humanitarian issue. As a children's pastor, we feed tens of thousands of children around Central and South America already.
But Trey Roberts of White Dove Church on the West Bank, who is also a member of the Greater New Orleans Tea Party, says illegal immigration is just that.
There's a reason we have borders. The first thing we need to do with this immigration issue is we need to secure our border. We don't know what's coming across. I mean, we see the kids, but this is a homeland security issue.
Now, whether the children get to remain in Louisiana or not, from a cultural standpoint, it's a huge learning experience for the law students here at Loyola.
They have to learn how to go through a medium, which is interpreter. And they have to be able to gain trust from a child who may not be able to open up to us, maybe because cultural barriers or horrific experience that they have had on the way here.
While sympathetic to what the children face in their homeland, he believes the law must be enforced.
If they came here illegally, as many of them we know have, then they have entered the country illegally. They have broken the law.
I'm Sabrina Wilson, Fox 8 News.
Because illegal immigrants aren't entitled to court-appointed lawyers, Loyola will hold a training session September 4th for local lawyers who want to help represent immigrant children in the area.